पूरा, complete, complete. टुकड़ा, piece, piece. क्षेत्र means area, area. एक होना, unite, unite. बिखराव means scatter, scatter. भविष्यवाणी, prediction, prediction. जाहिर, obvious, obvious. न्याय means justice, justice. केवल, only, only. जहाज means ship, ship. उधार लेना, borrow, borrow. माली means gardener, gardener. ठेकेदार, in English contractor, contractor. फेरी वाला, hawker, hawker. वकील means advocate, advocate. भीड़, in English crowd, crowd. सौदा means deal, deal. दोपहर, noon, noon. भारी means heavy, heavy. रगड़ना, rub, rub. अभी तक, yet, yet. घटाना means reduce, reduce. मोच, sprain, sprain. सूजन, swelling, swelling. लगभग, almost, almost. आरंभ करना, initiate, initiate. हकलाना means stammer, stammer. जिंदा, alive, alive. वफादार means loyal, loyal. शर्मीला, shy, shy. दोनों means both, both. पहले means before, before. चाटना, lick, lick. चखना means taste, taste. थूकना, spit, spit. चबाना, chew, chew. गटकना, गल्प, गल्प। निगलना, स्वालो, स्वालो। गुदगुदी, टिकल, टिकल। अचार, पिकल, पिकल। झुर्रियाँ, रिंकल, रिंकल। नमूना, सैंपल, सैंपल। समाज, सोसाइटी, सोसाइटी। दूरबीन, टेलीस्कोप, टेलीस्कोप। खाली means empty, empty। नाजुक, delicate, delicate। रवैया, attitude, attitude। भ्रम, illusion, illusion। शायद, probably, probably। ठीक है, all right, all right। हमेशा के लिए, forever, forever। काश, I wish, I wish। भरोसा करना, rely, rely। खुशबू, fragrance, fragrance। ठीक ठाक, so so, so so। बस यूं ही means casually, casually। पूंछ, in English tail, tail। मृत्यु means demise, demise। खोखला, hollow, hollow। एड़ी, in English heel, heel। ढीला means loose, loose। कमर means waist, waist। इकट्ठा करना, gather, gather। अंतर means difference, difference। तरफदारी means favor, favor। लगभग means almost, almost। शायद को इंग्लिश में कहते हैं probably, probably। इसलिए means therefore, therefore। मुश्किल से means hardly, hardly। ईमानदारी से honestly, honestly। कोई भी means anyone. Anyone. Jaldi se means quickly. Quickly. Gehrai se means deeply. Deeply. Taki means so that. So that. Aakhirkar means finally. Finally. Shayad means perhaps. Perhaps. Shuru karna means commence. Commence. Puchna in English, ask. Ask. Zarurat means need. Need. Dhanwan means wealthy. Wealthy. पीछा करना means chase. Chase. जांचना means examine. Examine. सुधारना means improve. Improve. समझना in English, understand. Understand. सूचित करना in English, inform. Inform. प्रोत्साहित करना means encourage. Encourage. जिद्दी means stubborn. Stubborn. Furtila means active. Active. Bahadur means brave. Brave. Sharmila means shy. Shy. Rahasya in English, mystery. Mystery. Kanjoos means miser. Miser. पढ़ा लिखा means literate. Literate. किस लिए for what. For what. हमेशा के लिए forever. Forever. कभी नहीं means never. Never. मेरे लिए in English, for me. For me. तुम्हारे लिए को इंग्लिश में कहते हैं for you. For you. सबके लिए in English, for everyone. For everyone. पछताना means regret. Regret. चिंगारी means spark. Spark. ज्वालामुखी means volcano. Volcano. प्रेरित करना means inspire. Inspire. शुरू करना means begin. Begin. खुशी In English, happiness. Happiness. Udasi means sadness. Sadness. Anand means joy. Joy. Gussa means anger. Anger. Utsah means excitement. Excitement. Andhera means dark. Dark. Upar means above. Above. Niche means below. Below. आराम करना means relax. Relax. टहलना means walk. Walk. सबसे अच्छा in English best. Best. सबसे बुरा means worst. Worst. Shant. Now you comment the meaning in English. Jurmana in English penalty. Penalty. लाड प्यार करना means pamper. Pamper. समझौता means agreement. Agreement. कम से कम in English at least. At least. समझदार sensible. Sensible. कम बोलने वाला in English taciturn. Taciturn. वफादार means loyal. Loyal. विनम्र means polite. Polite. मजाकिया in English humorous. Humorous. सच्चा in English sincere. Sincere. मेहनती means diligent. Diligent. चालाक in English devious. Devious. फिलहाल means as of now. As of now. जुगाड़ in English improvisation. Improvisation. धोखेबाज means betrayer. Betrayer. जोश means passion. Passion. आलसी in English lazy. Lazy. बाहर means outside. Outside. ध्यान दिलाना in English remind. Remind. आंदोलन means movement. Movement. सामान in English luggage. Luggage. त्याग करना means sacrifice. Sacrifice. आँख मारना means wink. Wink. छींकना means sneeze. Sneeze. स्वादिष्ट, palatable. Palatable. बेस्वाद means insipid. Insipid. हड़बड़ा जाना, in English panic. Panic. तुरंत, instantly. Instantly. कभी कभार means rarely. Rarely. क्यों नहीं, in English why not. Why not. महत्व means significance. Significance. परिवर्तन means transformation. Transformation. कम आंकना, in English underrated. Underrated. पहलू means aspect. Aspect. समर्थन करना means support. Support. आलीशान means majestic. Majestic. गायब होना, in English vanish. Vanish. कुछ नहीं means nothing. Nothing. कोई नहीं, in English nobody. Nobody. काफी, in English enough. Enough. जैसे तैसे, somehow. Somehow. चिढ़ाना means irritate. Irritate. नीचा दिखाना, humiliate. Humiliate. परेशान करना, bother. Bother. चापलूसी करना, flatter. Flatter. हिचकिचाना means hesitate. Hesitate. फिर से शुरू करना means resume. Resume. साहसी, in English audacious. Audacious. आकर्षक means charming. Charming. कठिनाई को इंग्लिश में कहते हैं hardship. Hardship. अपमान means offense. Offense. चमकीला means luminous. Luminous. माननीय, in English honorable. Honorable. शानदार means stunning. Stunning. भरोसेमंद means reliable. Reliable. भाग्यशाली means fortunate. Fortunate. शक्तिशाली, energetic. Energetic. बातूनी means talkative. Talkative. जिंदा दिल, in English, lively, lively. सचमुच means literally, literally. लागू करना means enforce, enforce. सावधानी से, in English, carefully, carefully. आज़ादी means freedom, freedom. जादूगर means magician, magician. गुणवत्ता means quality, quality. कीमती in English, valuable, valuable. जहरीला means poisonous, poisonous. निडर in English, fearless, fearless. डरपोक means timid, timid. भावुक in English, emotional, emotional. शुक्रगुजार means thankful, thankful. हानिकारक means harmful, harmful. अटपटा means awkward, awkward. लुभावना in English, fascinating, fascinating. साजिश means conspiracy, conspiracy. खाली vacant, vacant. पतला या महीन means thin, thin. क्षमा मांगना in English, apology, apology. फालतू में unnecessarily, unnecessarily. बचाव means rescue, rescue. रीढ़ की हड्डी spine, spine. बुरा सपना in English, nightmare, nightmare. गर्व pride, pride. ताबीज amulet, amulet. छायादार shady, shady. केकड़ा means crab, crab. दो बार means twice, twice. बाद में in English, later, later. कभी कभी seldom, seldom. जल्दी soon, soon. झुका हुआ means bent, bent. मुरझाना shrivel, shrivel. चलन means trend, trend. खजाना, in English, treasure, treasure. साधारण, ordinary, ordinary. धीरे धीरे, gradually, gradually. अंधा, blind, blind. गूंगा, dumb, dumb. लंगड़ा, lame, lame. अधिकार, authority, authority. रात भर means overnight, overnight. बीज, in English, seed, seed. जासूसी करना, spy, spy. परिणाम, outcome, outcome. बहादुर means brave, brave. छिपकली, in English, lizard, lizard. मच्छर, mosquito, mosquito. शांति, peace, peace. छुपाना means conceal, conceal. वास्तव में, indeed, indeed. विचार करना, consider, consider. Start. मिलनसार, affable, affable. आकर्षक या सुंदर means charming, charming. विनम्र, in English, polite, polite. निष्पक्ष means impartial, impartial. निडर means fearless, fearless. टकरा जाना means crash, crash. बड़ा means massive, massive. उदास means depressed, depressed. उत्सुक, in English, eager, eager. रहस्य means mystery, mystery. खूंखार, in English, ferocious, ferocious. अजीब means weird, weird. सनकी means freak, freak. फुर्तीला, in English, nimble, nimble. इतिहास, in English, history, history. चुटकी बजाना, in English, tweak, tweak. पछताना means repent, repent. मुक्त करना, redeem, redeem. निंदा करना, censure, censure. रद्द करना means abolish. Abolish. ठीक करना rectify. Rectify. हासिल करना obtain. Obtain. आलसी means lazy. Lazy. आभार gratitude. Gratitude. बेवकूफ means silly. Silly. सीढ़ी ladder. Ladder. हेर फेर shuffle. Shuffle. डर means fear. Fear. बहस means debate. Debate. पोशाक outfit. Outfit. मंदिर temple. Temple. अंधेरा dark. Dark. सबूत means evidence. Evidence. स्वीकारना confess. Confess. झलक glimpse. Glimpse. चुगलखोर backbiter. Backbiter. सचमुच literally. Literally. मना करना refuse. Refuse. हटाना remove. Remove. छेद in English hole. Hole. संपूर्ण in English whole. Whole.